Nobody but me, nobody but us, put us together. I love to hold you close, tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you.
I'm Chandini and welcome back to my channel. And if you've been seeing my videos for a bit now, you'd know that I had really long hair. It was really hard to maintain them, so I decided to chop them off and I got this pleasant haircut. I find it pleasant. Since I cut my hair after a long time, so I had an issue with deciding how to style them. And today I'm going to share with you guys how to style my short hair. I'm going to curl my hair today and they're going to look fab. So let's get started. Before we start this video guys, I have a small request. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I am a professional makeup artist, so you could follow my makeup page, which is Makeup by Chandini, or my styling page, which is just Chandini. See you there guys. Come on. So I've normally taken my hair and I'm going to make like a small bun so that we don't struggle with finding hair. Okay. So I have only this much right now. Let's get started. Today I'm using this curling rod. This is from Philips. So I'm going to take a strand and I'm going to keep it here. You need to leave this much hair with every strand. Next we just curl this now. And stop here. Again you have to leave some distance at the top, and that's all we do. We're going to wait for a bit. It's my golden ratio. I wait for 15 seconds. Before I had short hair, I would always curl my hair with a straightener. It is amazing. Especially because you literally need no product and your curls are going to stay on like for 7 days. But sadly now I have short hair, and short hair mein straightening rod does not work. If your hair is short, you have to have a curling rod. Straightener se nahi hoga. Okay, so I think I've kept it on for 15 seconds now. I'm going to move this. Just turn it. Be careful. Don't bring it too close to your head. Just turn it around and leave this. I have a decent curl. Next I'm going to take another strand and start again. Leaving some distance at the bottom and curl it. And then again leave some distance, 15 seconds. So now with every strand I'm going to take 15 seconds, and this entire thing thoda sa time lagega. I think that's enough. I'm going to curl it back. There you go. We have another beautiful curl. This side I have like 4 curls here. I'm going to move to this side now. जब आप नीचे की लेयर कर रहे हो तो आप comfortably मोटे स्ट्रैंड ले सकते हो, जैसे कि मैं ले रही हूँ. Again guys, I'm going to leave some space at the bottom and start curling. We don't need like really amazing smooth curls. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि जब आप नीचे की लेयर कर्ल कर रहे हो, मोस्टली यू आर डूइंग दिस बिकॉज यू वांट योर हेयर टू हैव सम वॉल्यूम. ठीक है ना. जैसे जैसे इमेजिन आई एम डूइंग द फर्स्ट लेयर राइट नाउ, आई डू द सेकंड लेयर, देन थर्ड लेयर, देन फोर्थ लेयर. तो नीचे से ऊपर आते आते वी हैव, सो दैट ऑटोमेटिकली एड्स loads of volume to your hair, which is what we want. So guys, remember, नीचे के बाल करते वक्त you can be a little comfortable, easy, थोड़ा रफ भी कर सकते हो, कुछ नहीं जा रहा है, क्योंकि this will not be visible. The only layer that needs finesse is the last one. जब हम सबके से ऊपर की लेयर में पहुँचेंगे, तब we will have to do it very nicely. एक एक स्ट्रैंड को कर्ल करेंगे, पतले स्ट्रैंड लेंगे, you know, things like that. Okay, so I think it's been 50 seconds. I'm gonna wait for like 4 seconds more. ये थोड़ा thick था. The end result of this look guys, it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be like, हो गया. I don't have a mirror in front of me guys today. ये मैं ऐसे ही कर रही हूँ. Once you're comfortable with doing this, you don't even need like a mirror. Like I don't have a mirror right now. Thick one again because नीचे की layer. I'm gonna show you guys again how it's done.
Love to hold you close tonight and always.
Now that this part is done, I'm gonna move above and take out some of my hair. Okay, take out this much, and before I take out this, put all the hair back and keep this in the front now. Okay, I'm gonna tie the rest again back in a bun.
The place you lose your fears, yeah.
Guys, I'm really sorry, there's like some music playing in the background,
So bad, so dirty, and wrong. Ain't no better day.
but somebody is in the mood to celebrate, so let them. I'm gonna start from the back क्योंकि आगे से स्टार्ट करो तो ना अगेन एंड अगेन यू विल टचिंग देम, मतलब रास्ते में आएंगे जब हम पीछे का करेंगे तो मतलब डिस्टर्ब होंगे कर्ल्स, तो हम पीछे से स्टार्ट करेंगे.
Down, she can't even get a break.
वन क्विक थिंग, एवरी टाइम दैट आई टेल यू कि नीचे के बाल छोड़ने हैं, देयर इज अ रीजन फॉर इट. ए, सिंस आवर हेयर इज शॉर्ट, हमारे बाल छोटे हैं, तो क्या होगा अगर आप एकदम बॉटम से नीचे से आप अपने कर्लिंग रॉड पे लोगे तो आपके बाल जो है ना पूरे कर्ल हो जाएंगे लास्ट बिट तक के. दे विल बी टर्न. उससे क्या होगा, एक तो हमारे बालों की लेंथ बहुत छोटी लगेगी, इतनी भी छोटी नहीं चाहिए हमें, वो एजी एकदम कट थ्रोट लुक नहीं आएगा. आई फील लाइक इट मेक्स यू लुक फैट, मतलब इन माई केस आई फील दैट आई टेंड टू लुक फैट. जैसे मैं अगर नीचे तक के कर्ल करती हूँ, इफ़ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी विद द वे योर कर्ल हैज़ टर्नड आउट, all you have to do is do this. Your curl will get some direction कि मुझे गोल घूमना है. So I've left the last bit, जो मैं इतनी देर से बोल रही थी कि ऊपर वाली लेयर में थोड़ा ध्यान देना है. This is the last bit of my hair. I'm gonna open this now from the clutch. Again, I'm gonna take half of this, put everything else behind. I'll be keeping like the half of it in the front. And rest again. I'm gonna clutch this bit. Hair is straight naturally, so I didn't have to like straighten my hair in the starting prior to this video. But in case you have like wavy hair, like you should straighten your hair. Straighten your hair. Don't straighten it like needle straight. इतना straight नहीं चाहिए, but just straighten it a bit. It just gives like a more clean look. I'm gonna start from here. Now this hair is gonna fall in front of everything else. Now I'll be doing like really thin strands of hair. Leave hair like at the bottom. Now I'm leaving more hair because it's the front and it's long. So you're leaving a bit more than I was leaving before. I'm gonna start rotating my rod. Here's hoping you like my video, guys. As before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This takes a lot of time for sure, but I just love dressing up. I mean, obviously most people do. Your hair is gonna look fabulous like 3 days. Look fabulous without product. And if you put like a hairspray, look amazing for, I guess, for a week. It should. I mean, your curls will go, they'll go anyway. But you'll have like nice, bouncy, voluminous hair with a lot of texture. I live for that stuff. Take it off, remove it, leave it. So I'm done with this side also. Now it's looking like a bit all over the place. Don't have to worry. I'm gonna handle everything. Lastly, I have this bit and curl the hell out of it.
Wake up next to you. I love to hold you close tonight and always.
The next step, guys, when we're done with all the curling, keep a comb handy. We're gonna back comb the hell out of her hair next. Give it some volume and make it all fab. I think I've said fab far too many times in this video. But yeah. So my hair in the typical Indian language is silky. So I have really flat and silky hair. It's naturally quite straight. So the curls don't tend to last that much on me. Also, I washed my hair yesterday, which is not an ideal situation if you want to curl your hair. If you want your hair to look voluminous and everything, I personally suggest that curl your hair after like maybe 2 days of washing something. So your hair is like a bit not dirty or something, but you washed your hair like in 2 days back, or your girls are gonna last longer and look more fab. So till then your hair has like some texture. Like right now it's really clean. We want clean hair. We want a bit something happening. And finally guys, we're done. Your front hair is long. I want you to curl even this. So I have fringes, I'm not gonna do anything. And I'm just gonna straighten them a bit because abhi you can see they're like thoda sa andar ki taraf ja rahe hain. All I'm gonna do like for both sides, not really bothering to get my straightener out and making do with what I have. All I'm gonna do now is do this, guys. Just move your finger through your hair, guys. I don't like using a brush since, like I said, I have straight hair and it will just ruin everything. See, this is just so much better in like a second. Let's use both my hands and do it like quick. Okay guys, so another thing that you can do is please for the music playing in the backdrop again. What is this? Anyway, so I'm gonna comb and quickly back comb my hair, okay? So what you're gonna do is take your comb like this and you're gonna be like, okay? I'm gonna quickly do that to my hair from the top. And ding ding ding, and then you take out your comb like this. Not take it नीचे से. You have to take it like in. Pendu क्या था? This just quickly adds a lot of volume, which is appreciated. Last step and the most important step of it all. Got something super cute. Put on some red hot smacking lip color or whatever you like. Done. So BRB my friends, and we're back. So this is my bouncy fabulous hair video, guys. We gonna have a great time, work through the great partners. You know my secret? I mean, there wasn't any secret really. Yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. Straight hair is all cool, but bouncy, big bouncy hair adds so much personality, especially to me. Makes me look younger, chirpier. I mean, I don't need to be chirpier, but it does. So yeah, this is my hair, guys. I hope you try this tutorial. Try and curl your hair and show this to your girlfriend. Ask her to curl her hair. I think curls look so good on each and every part. फिर से वही चलता फिरता पुराना record, guys. I'm a makeup artist. You should follow me on Instagram. I go by the name Makeup by Chandini. And if you like my styling, sure, I think it's hardly visible here, but like my styling, you should follow me on Instagram. I go by the name Just Chandini. Just Chandini. Please follow me there, guys. I love to have you there. Thank you for signing in. Bye.